Hey, welcome back to the Money Mastery series. I'm going to show you today how to activate Face ID on your iPhone through your Cash App account. And so it's pretty easy to do so. All you have to do is click on the top right button where it says your profile. And once you see your profile, you want to scroll down to security and privacy. Click on that. And then once you're in security and privacy, you will see that first section there, security. So you want to check move money. It will then ask you to confirm your cash PIN for your personal account. You can also use your Face ID in order to unlock the app. So you click on that, enter your PIN once again. So now that you have that, you will see here the security lock is on, but Face ID is still not active. So what you want to do now is go into your settings and find Cash App in your settings. In the new iOS update, it's going to be in the apps section. So if you go to your settings, you scroll down and you will see apps, and then you search for Cash App, and I will click on it here. You will see there it says Face ID. You just toggle that on. Now you will see Face ID just worked for me. So it will work as soon as you do that. You can also see here if I wanted to like deactivate one of these features, it will use my Face ID instead of my PIN number now. But it will ask you to use your PIN number just once when you want to activate it again. And then after that, you will be able to use, as you can see here, required Face ID or your cash PIN to move money or unlock the app after 5 minutes of inactivity. There you go. That's how you turn on Face ID within your Cash App account. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment for more Money Mastery videos.